Have you ever wondered what lies at the deepest part of the ocean? The Mariana Trench, the deepest ocean trench, holds many secrets. Located in the Pacific Ocean, it reaches nearly 36,000 feet deep. To understand its depth, Mount Everest could easily fit inside. The trench is shrouded in mystery, mostly unexplored and unexplained. Despite its vastness, only a few have dared to explore it. The journey to the trench's bottom is not for the faint-hearted. Extreme pressures, darkness, and freezing temperatures challenge explorers. Yet, in this inhospitable place, life thrives in unimaginable ways. The trench is one of the most isolated places on Earth. It's home to creatures that survive in the most hostile conditions. But how do they survive in such a harsh environment? In the deep, light is a distant memory, swallowed by darkness. Yet these creatures navigate, feed, and live without it. In the next part, we'll uncover the creatures that call it home. The question isn't if life exists, but how it thrives. Despite being so remote, these creatures are not alone. Every inch of the trench is teeming with strange life forms. From giant squids to bizarre deep-sea fish, life is abundant. But what other secrets does this hidden world hold? Let's dive deeper into this oceanic abyss and discover more. There are still many mysteries waiting to be uncovered. The trench holds some of Earth's oldest and rarest species. Each exploration uncovers new surprises lurking in the dark. Are you ready to explore what lives at these extreme depths? The creatures here are nothing like what we know on land. Some creatures adapt in ways that are beyond human imagination. They have evolved to survive under extreme pressures and cold. In the next part, we'll meet some of these fascinating creatures. But before we do, consider the dangers they face daily. Their survival relies on unique biological adaptations. Every creature here has a special role in the ecosystem. They form a complex web of life under the trench's waters, and despite being hidden from view, they are thriving. What can we learn from these resilient survivors? Their existence could hold clues to the future of life on Earth. So, let's take a closer look at the deep trench itself and prepare for an unforgettable journey into the unknown. Keep an open mind as we uncover new species never seen before. The Mariana Trench is full of secrets, some still locked away. Our next stop is to explore the very creatures that call it home. This is where the story of survival in the deepest ocean begins. Imagine surviving where no sunlight ever reaches. It's a life of darkness, pressure, and mystery. But in this world, darkness is not the enemy. In the pitch-black depths of the Mariana Trench, life thrives. The creatures here have adapted to one of Earth's harshest environments. The lack of sunlight creates a world of darkness, yet life flourishes. Pressure in the trench is over 1,000 times that at sea level. How do creatures survive these extreme pressures? Meet the anglerfish, a creature with a bioluminescent lure. This glowing light attracts prey in the abyss's pitch-black waters. The anglerfish is just one example of how life adapts. Its body is built to withstand the crushing depths. Another mysterious resident is the giant squid. This elusive creature can grow up to 3 feet long. Despite its size, it's rarely seen by humans. The giant squid uses its long tentacles to catch prey. Scientists believe it might even compete with sperm whales for food. Yet, it's almost entirely shrouded in mystery. How does such a massive creature remain hidden for so long? Its habitat is too remote for regular exploration. But the trench holds more secrets than just the squid. One of the most surprising creatures is the deep-sea jellyfish. This jellyfish survives at depths where few other creatures dare to go. Its transparent, bell-shaped body allows it to glide through the dark waters. It's a creature of grace, capable of surviving extreme cold. How does the jellyfish thrive without sunlight or warmth? One key factor is its ability to generate energy without oxygen. The trench's ecosystem is truly unique in its adaptations. Another creature, the vampire squid, uses a unique defense mechanism. Unlike other squid, it feeds on organic material from the water. It relies on its glowing bioluminescent skin to ward off predators. The vampire squid is one of nature's most intriguing survivors. At these depths, survival is an art form, not a given, and the trench is home to many such survivalists. The snailfish, another trench resident, holds the record for depth. It can survive at depths over 26,000 feet, almost at the trench's floor. Unlike most fish, it lacks a gas-filled swim bladder. Instead, it's perfectly suited for life under extreme pressure. The snailfish has a unique ability to withstand crushing depths. And then there's the crustacean, known for its tough exoskeleton. These creatures have evolved to survive near the ocean floor. With their sturdy bodies, they can endure the weight of the ocean above. Each of these creatures has something remarkable in common. They've adapted in ways that defy our understanding of biology. But survival in the trench isn't just about biological features. It's about resilience, determination, and the will to survive. These creatures have evolved for millions of years in isolation. Their survival secrets might hold the key to unlocking new biological mysteries. Life in the Mariana Trench requires incredible adaptations. The trench's extreme conditions push creatures to evolve in unique ways. One of the key survival traits is bioluminescence. Many deep-sea creatures use their natural glow to attract prey. This bioluminescence acts as both a lure and a defense mechanism. The anglerfish uses its glowing lure to draw in unsuspecting prey. Bioluminescence is a vital tool for navigating in total darkness. It allows creatures to communicate, mate, and even hunt. But bioluminescence isn't the only adaptation that helps these creatures. The lack of sunlight makes it difficult for plants to grow. So, these creatures rely on other forms of energy for survival. Some deep-sea animals feed on the organic material falling from above. The trench's ecosystem survives off these marine snow particles. Marine snow consists of dead plankton and other microscopic organisms. This material falls from higher up in the ocean and sustains life. Creatures like the vampire squid feed on this abundant source. Others, like the snailfish, rely on scavenging the ocean floor. The trench's creatures have learned to make do with limited resources. For some animals, surviving the trench's pressure is key. The pressure at the bottom is over 1,000 times that of the surface. Yet, animals like the snailfish can thrive at these extreme depths. Their bodies lack air-filled cavities, reducing the pressure on them. Instead, they have flexible, compact bodies that withstand the crushing force. Their skin and bones are uniquely adapted to resist damage. It's as if they've built in armor for the trench's harsh environment. Another survival trick involves slow metabolism. Most deep-sea creatures have very low metabolic rates. This means they use less energy, making every meal count. The giant squid, for example, can go for long periods without food. These creatures don't need constant nourishment to stay alive. Instead, they store energy and use it as needed. This slow metabolism helps them endure the limited resources of the trench. The extreme cold of the trench also plays a role in survival. Many deep-sea creatures have antifreeze proteins in their bodies. These proteins help prevent their cells from freezing in the cold water. The trench's temperature hovers just above freezing. Yet, creatures like the deep-sea jellyfish thrive in these frigid waters. Their transparent bodies are perfectly adapted to survive the cold. The trench's cold is one of the biggest challenges to life. But these creatures have evolved to turn it into an advantage. Some creatures even use the cold to preserve their prey. By freezing their food, they can store it for later consumption. The trench's creatures have evolved in isolation for millions of years. Each species has honed its survival traits to perfection. Their adaptations are a testament to nature's incredible ingenuity. The creatures of the Mariana Trench are unlike anything we know. Their unique adaptations offer valuable insights into survival under extreme conditions. These discoveries challenge our understanding of biology and evolution. The trench's ecosystem holds secrets that could change science forever. Studying these creatures could help us unlock the mysteries of life on Earth. Their ability to survive extreme pressure, darkness, and cold is remarkable. What we learn from these species could help us understand life elsewhere. Could life exist on other planets under similar extreme conditions? The adaptations of these trench dwellers suggest that life can thrive anywhere. Even in the harshest environments, life finds a way to exist. The trench is a living laboratory for studying extreme biology. Every new discovery could lead to breakthroughs in medicine and technology. For example, the bioluminescence in deep-sea creatures has medical applications. Scientists are studying these glowing creatures to develop new imaging tools. These natural light sources could revolutionize how we view the human body. The trench also holds the potential for discovering new materials. The creatures here produce unique compounds that could be harnessed for human use. Some animals in the trench create natural antifreeze proteins. These proteins could one day be used in medicine or agriculture. The trench is not just a place of mystery. Oh, it's a place of opportunity. We are just beginning to scratch the surface of what it holds. Every new expedition uncovers life forms that have never been seen before. These discoveries inspire us to continue exploring the unknown. Despite the challenges, the search for life in the trench continues. And each new finding brings us closer to understanding our planet. But there's still so much to learn about this enigmatic world. How do these creatures continue to survive where no one else can? The trench could hold answers to questions about resilience and survival. As technology advances, we'll be able to explore even deeper depths. Who knows what new species we will discover in the future? The trench represents a frontier that humanity has barely touched. Their existence challenges our perceptions of life itself. And as we dive deeper, we'll uncover more than just creatures. We'll uncover a deeper understanding of life on Earth and beyond. The Mariana Trench isn't just the deepest place on Earth. It's a world of endless possibilities. And who knows, our greatest discoveries might still lie ahead, waiting in the depths.